Hi, hello. Today I'm going to show pig farm. Whatever you are seeing, this is farm. See, these are the infants of pig. Around 500 to 600 pigs are available here. I will show you one by one. Please stay tuned till end. And whoever is watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. If you like this channel, please subscribe and give your comments, honest comment. If you don't like, you just click on unlike button, but please do whatever you feel. See, these are all the lady pigs. They are having food. So this farm nearly half acre, and for building this almost 80 lakhs rupees costed. If anybody have plan, you just watch this video and you can visit your nearest pig farm and learn how to take care of pigs. In this pig, there are two dedicated labor, and they are all taking care of. Maintaining is very easy, but we need to waste food of canteen. Baby having milk from the mother pig.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ಎಕರೆಗೆ ಐತೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತದಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಈದಿರ ಅವಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
For mother pigs. Thank you.